Looking to send money globally with speed, reliability, and a human touch? Let's talk about Transfast Remittance Service, a cross-border payment network that offers more than what meets the eye. While most know Transfast for low-cost international transfers, today I'll share 5 powerful, never-before-heard facts about this remittance giant. Adaptive currency routing algorithm. Unlike most services, Transfast uses a unique adaptive currency routing engine. Instead of one fixed route, it scans multiple conversion paths in real time, helping you get the best exchange rate per transaction, even during market fluctuations. This feature isn't openly listed online but is embedded deep in their API architecture. Here's something unheard of. Transfast operates dual ledger reconciliation to speed up compliance checks. It maintains ledgers in both the sending and receiving countries, minimizing delay in processing, especially in corridors like India, the Philippines, and Kenya. This feature helps reduce chargebacks and transaction failures significantly. Transfast has location-specific cashback offers for users in certain countries. For example, senders from the UAE to India get surprise cashback if they send above a threshold. These aren't advertised but show up on authenticated dashboards. Users on transfast.com often discover them after the transaction. While most services rely on OTP or email confirmation, Transfast's backend integrates biometric verification through local payout partners, reducing frauds in countries with biometric banking like Nigeria or Bangladesh. This makes their service more secure than others in the remittance market. This is a hidden gem. In several rural locations, Transfast allows offline transaction syncing through partnered agents. The customer gets a confirmation SMS, and once the agent's terminal goes online, the transaction gets auto-updated. It's a bridge between digital and physical remittance systems. Relevant websites to explore further. Super www.transfast.com, super www.mastercard.com, Transfast Parent Network.